Go to school today?
No.
No, it's Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay. How's your weekend, Sarah?
Good.
It was good. What did you do
Yeah.
yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you do yesterday? It's Saturday.
I watched movie.
Oh, you watched a movie. What is
Yeah.
that movie?
Moana.
Moana.
Yes.
Wow, how is Moana?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you find Moana? Was it good? Was it
Yeah.
good? Oh, did you
Yeah.
watch Moana 1?
Yeah. I watched.
Okay, so you watched Moana 2 also.
Yeah.
Okay, so you like cartoon or Disney movies?
Yes.
Okay, what is your favorite Disney movie?
Uh, uh, Elemental.
What is your favorite Disney
Uh,
movie or any
Rapunzel.
movie? Oh,
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. Uh, you like the long hair.
Yeah.
Rapunzel. Okay. Only Rapunzel?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you like Rapunzel?
Uh, Very fun and good song.
Yes, that's right. Okay. How about Frozen? Do you...
Ah, I like Frozen too.
Oh, you like Frozen. You like Anna and Elsa?
Yeah.
Okay. Who do you like more? Anna or Elsa?
Elsa.
Why do you like Elsa more than Anna?
Yeah.
Why do you like Elsa?
Uh, Elsa have magic.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so you love Elsa. Okay, you
Yeah.
love watching Disney movies, and the characters are all girls.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. How about other movies? Oh, okay, let's go to your hobbies. What do you do in your free time, Sarah? What do you do in your free time? If you don't have classes, what do you do? If you don't go to school, what do you do in your free time?
Draw picture.
Oh, you're good in drawing pictures. Do you have?
Yeah.
Can you show teacher Mary?